Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible? Like you're there but nobody really notices. No one listens when you speak. People interrupt you, ignore you, maybe even walk all over you. I've been there and it sucks. And for a long time, I wondered, how do you actually get respect? Like real respect, not fake, people pleasing respect. Not fear, not popularity, but that quiet respect where people take you seriously without you needing to say much. Here's what I learned the hard way. Respect isn't given, it's reflected. Let me tell you something that changed my life. The way people treat you is a reflection of how you treat yourself. I used to blame others, why don't they take me seriously? But I wasn't taking myself seriously either. I broke promises to myself, I let people waste my time, I said yes to the things I didn't want to do. And people could sense that. If you want more respect from the world, it starts with how you carry yourself when no one's watching. Silence greater than over explaining. Here's a mistake I made for years trying to explain myself too much. Someone would question me and I'd start rambling. I thought that explaining everything would make people understand me. It didn't. It made me look uncertain. Respected people don't over explain. They speak once and that's enough. I learned to just say, no, I can't do that, and leave it at that. You don't need to justify your choices to everyone. Silence sometimes speaks louder than any argument. Respect the way you look, even if you don't care about fashion. Here's the truth people judge you within seconds. Unfair? Maybe. Real? Absolutely. I used to dress like I didn't care, and guess what? People didn't care about me either. Now, I'm not saying you need expensive clothes, but wear clean, well fitted clothes. Get a decent haircut. Take care of your hygiene. Because when you look like someone who respects themselves, others follow suit. Respect comes from boundaries, not niceness. I used to think if I am nice, people will respect me. But that was wrong. Niceness is fine, but without boundaries, it becomes weakness. Now I say, hey, I don't like when that happens, or please don't talk to me like that, or I'm not available at that time. Setting boundaries feels uncomfortable at first, but the people who matter will respect you for it. The ones who don't, let them go. Earn respect through small wins. Another myth you have to be super successful to get respect. No, of course. You just need to win in your own lane. Start small, wake up early, train your body, learn something daily, follow through on what you say. When you start stacking these small wins, something changes. Your confidence grows and people feel it. Respect follows competency and consistency, not just loud words. Control your emotions, especially under the pressure. One time, someone disrespected me publicly. I wanted to snap, but I stayed calm. That moment, it earned me more respect than any argument could have. When you stay calm under pressure, people think, wow, this person gets control. And that's powerful. Train this. When emotions rise, pause for a second. Don't react or respond. Walk away from disrespect without drama. Here's something I live by now. If someone can't respect my presence, they can feel my absence. You don't need to argue or prove yourself. Sometimes the most powerful move is to walk away quietly. Don't explain, don't beg, don't chase, just leave. That silence, that absence, it speaks volumes. And the final thoughts. Let's keep it real. Respect isn't about trying to act alpha. It's not about being feared or loud. It's about self respect, calm energy, boundaries, and showing up for yourself consistently. You don't have to fake anything, just become someone who knows their worth and lives like it. Because when you truly respect yourself, you don't have to demand respect, it just happens. If this hits home for you, subscribe for more real, no fluff self improvement. We are not chasing attention, we are building something better. Real confidence, real discipline, real results. See you in the next one. Bye.